Are you feeling confused in the kitchen? Want cooking to be more fun? Need confidence to cook anything? Enter the world of delightful cooking with Semi, India's first intelligent induction cooktop. With guided cooking, Semi simplifies cooking for you. Just follow the step-by-step recipe instructions on the screen while Semi adjusts heat and time automatically. No more struggling with stove knobs. Recreate specific tasks like boiling or frying with just a single touch using presets. Say goodbye to separate weighing scales and measure ingredients right on Semi. For the adventurous souls, manual mode gives full control to cook anything. Achieve perfection every single time with Semi's precise temperature control technology. To maintain internal food temperatures in methods like searing and sous vide, there's the temperature probe too. With Semi, make cooking a joy, where every dish turns out just right. Cook with confidence, cook with Semi. Pre-order now.